what is basically this guy focusing on? This guy's essay has been focused on three things. Shiraz.
On life and
On the emotional aspect of the essay, his childhood, how he's looking at it calmly and all that, structural aspect, and the fact that juxtaposition is the main thing in terms of literary technique.
yeah.
Got it? So do you think it's that difficult to write? Imagine you take out the paragraph about structure, because I know that's something you didn't understand. Okay, that stressed sound, unstressed sound, consonants and all that. You were a bit blank when you were reading that. Okay, the other parts, this paragraph basically.
Yeah.
The 4 EMs, the trosh, the things we just did today. Okay, so if you just take out this paragraph from this essay, your essay based on what you're doing at school will still be analyzed excellently. It will be analyzed as an excellent essay, this one. Okay, so you are comfortable with all those three apart from the structure. So I want you to go through this structure, okay, and try to apply it in, okay, so out here, there's a marking also given. I told you criteria A, he'll get a 5 out of 5. Criteria C, organization, he'll get a 4 out of 5, yes. And language, so he'll get full marks. The language use is excellent. Okay.
How can you get 5 out of 5 for the organization?
4 out of 5. Why? Because he hasn't structurally, it's you can't get a 5 on 5 on organization at your level. You will not get a 5 on 5. Okay, because there are so many types of analysis you can do which you aren't even taught. It's not your fault.
Yeah.
You aren't even taught. So if somebody gives me an analysis, whichever analysis you present, the structured analysis of that essay, if it's excellent, I'll give you a 4 out of 5.
Yeah.
Getting it? 5 out of 5 is very difficult. In 5 out of 5, you have to do these, the poetic devices. You have to continuously mention all the poetic devices. You have to mention meter. I was thinking of doing this today, but we'll do that next session. Then what ode, what exactly are these terms? Where are the puns? Where's the repetition? Where's the rhythm? All these sonnets. What is a sonnet? I told you today, a sonnet is a 14-line poem with a strict rhythm, often writing in an iambic pentameter. This iambic pentameter thing also, I don't think he has mentioned. Okay. So, yeah, structure you can get better. But structure, the thing is, Nashiraz, you have to memorize.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to memorize these because this is not something that's art. Okay, it's just structure. It's language, like logic. All right.